Tex from northeastern Texas into portions of Arkansas, Louisiana. We also saw quite a bit of rain here. So San Antonio, yeah, we did see about a quarter of an inch of rain yesterday. Also a record high, I believe it was right around 86 degrees, 86. We should be around 70. And we do have a couple of storms on the way Sunday night rumbling into Monday. For Houston, we've got storms for you as well. Most likely Monday into Monday night. Temperatures still on the warm side, still on the muggy side in the low 80s, but eventually we'll start to feel some of that cooler air beyond that time frame. Little Rock, Arkansas, we saw about a quarter inch of rain, or actually 0.8 of an inch of rain yesterday, and we have a surplus now of about 6.5, close to 7 inches, and we've got more thunderstorms on the way here in Little Rock Monday night especially, and you can see the stripe of yellow here, as I mentioned, 3 to 5 inches in just the last 24 hours. That includes Texarkana, where we've got more rain and thunderstorms on the way. Monday looks to be a pretty stormy day, 67 degrees, a few isolated storms on your Monday night. And then for Shreveport, if you're doing any traveling Monday night, maybe you've got flexibility, you can wait until Tuesday night or Wednesday. The weather shopping for your Thanksgiving ingredients or doing some traveling early next week. It's nice to have the milder temperatures. You don't have to worry about the thick coats quite yet. It's going to be above average out ahead of our cold front, but you can see the blue on the horizon. There's that colder air that eventually moves in, and it moves in all the way down toward the south. So temperatures will eventually go back to where they should be for this time of the year. If you're traveling by car, by vehicle here, Tuesday is going to be a busy travel day. The worst time to travel, by the way, is going to be in the afternoon toward the evening time frame, anywhere from noon to 9. So if you can get up early, get the kids ready, get the side dishes all ready to go, it's best to head out before noon if you can on Tuesday. And hopefully the weather will cooperate with your plans too, because we are tracking this system that will drop rain from Monday through Wednesday all across the south. Some areas need it, others do not, but we see the darker shade of green. It's possible we see even more than an inch. And depending on those rainfall rates, there could be some ponding on the roadways. Let's time it out for you. Starting up on Monday morning, the rain is coming through Memphis by the afternoon. Overnight into Tuesday morning, that rain reaching into places like Jackson, Mississippi, down toward New Orleans. And yes, we need the rain in Atlanta, but you probably don't want it if you've got a flight on Tuesday. That's when we could see some airport delays at the busiest airport, and those showers eventually moving into the Carolinas and Virginia. Northern Florida, we also need the rain, but this system kind of peters out by the time it gets to us. As you can see, temperatures Thanksgiving Day will be on the cooler side, but at least we get rid of the rain for the most part. There will be a couple of showers still for South Florida. Mostly rain, then snow across the Midwest into the Great Lakes. Now, there will be a little bit of blue showing up on the northern fringes of all this, northern Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, some of those colder places getting in on some of the snow. It is rain, though, for Chicago, so O'Hare, Midway could see some delays on Monday, even into Tuesday. Rain eventually heading for Detroit on over toward the west end of the New York State Thruway for the 95 corridor. It's going to be Wednesday when we see our downpours, and there's that touch of blue on the northern and back side of this system where there will be some minor snowfall accumulation, maybe anywhere from 1 to 3 inches around the northern Great Lakes region.